never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Lisa, and this is mine and my husband's channel, Brylan and Lisa. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that button below. Today we are doing my fall home tour. You guys know I love decorating for fall. It's my favorite season, and I just like to make my home nice and warm and cozy, bring those fall colors in. Let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna be showing you my living room, my powder bathroom, dining room, kitchen, and master bedroom. So without further ado, here is my fall home tour. So right now we are standing in my entryway as soon as you walk in my front door, and we're gonna turn around here first because we have this little sign here that says Happy Fall. This was a DIY that I did from a few years ago, and any videos that I mention, any DIYs or anything, I will have linked in the card above right here and in the description. And then over here, I have this little cow sign. I always have that up. That's from Kirkland's. On my entry table here, we have a Happy Harvest little pumpkin sign that was from Kirkland's last year. Most of this decor I bought last year. I didn't buy a whole lot of stuff this year, so I won't be able to link it, but if there is anything I can link, I will have it in the description, so be sure to check there. Or I have my favorite fall candle, which is Leaves from Bath & Body Works. My husband and I did a Bath & Body Works candle haul not too long ago, so I'll have that linked below if you guys like Bath & Body Works candles and you want to check out some scents. You can look at that. Oh, and then also I wanted to show this. This was also from Bath & Body Works. It's a leaf magnet that goes on top of your candles. I thought that was really cute. And then across from my entry table, I have this little area right here. And the only fall stuff I did is I added these pumpkins I got last year from Kirkland's into that container. And then I have that little harvest pumpkin sign that my mom gave me. And then moving on over here, we have our bookshelf. I always have this chalkboard here, and I just like to change like what it says or the design on it. So for fall, I just drew some pumpkins on there. I thought that was kind of fun. And then I got these cotton stems from Hobby Lobby this year. And then I have a leaf garland that I got from Dollar Tree like a long time ago, but they have them every year, so I'm sure you can find it again this year. And then this little sign that says Give Thanks Unto the Lord is from Kirkland's. That's from last year. And then I just have an assortment of different pumpkins in each little cubby, and these are ones that I got either at Walmart or Dollar Tree, just kind of like combination of the two. And then this little bird we got last year from Marshall's, and I just think he's so cute, just a little fall bird. And then moving on over here, I have these vases. I made these last year sometime. I actually don't have a video on it, so sorry, but I just like to change out the flowers in them seasonally. And so all these flowers are from this year from Hobby Lobby, so you can go there to check them out. I just got some sunflowers, some fall stems, and then this lamb's ear, I think is what it's called. And then on this little table here, I added this buffalo check print fabric, and I just folded it and put it there. I actually already had that fabric, but it's from Hobby Lobby. You can get it still. And then this little Give Thanks loaf, it's like a miniature loaf pan sort of thing. I got that from Lifeway Christian Bookstore a couple years ago. And then over here, I don't have anything fall over there actually. And same with my TV stand, I just kept it blank. We have Little River over here. He's taking his nap in his rock and play. And then up here on this headboard, I put one of those Dollar Tree fall leaf garlands. And then I have this blanket. I always have that blanket out. I have these pillows that I made, and this one's just like a gingham, black and white gingham. That one has a fall mum design on it. And then that pillow says thankful on it. I think I have a tutorial for this one, I believe. And then on our coffee table, I just have some more of that buffalo check print fabric down. And then I added this little scent packet that's from Kirkland's last year. And then I have one of the Trader Joe's pumpkin spice rooibos tea tins holding our remotes and stuff. I usually have another tin in here, but for fall I thought that was cute. And then next to our love seat and behind our couch, we have this little area over here. And I have this fall sign that's from a few years ago that I made. I do have a video on it, so I'll have that linked below, like I said. And then I have more of those same pillows, except this one says autumn. And then we always have this picture up. We got this from Kirkland's last year, but it has kind of like a fall theme to it. So I just thought I'd show you guys it. It has like fall trees and stuff, so I really like that picture. All right, and then over here we have my powder bathroom. Above the toilet, I have this little shutter thing, and I always have this wreath, but I just added this thankful metal sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought that looked cute in there. And then behind the door here, for our little towels, I have this happy fall towel with a little hedgehog on it, and that is from Walmart from last year. And then over here on this little shelf that I always have down here, all I added was this little pumpkin that's from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, but they still have those pumpkins like every year, so you can still find them. Oh, and then I forgot to say I do have a candle in here on top of the toilet. I don't have it burning right now, but it's the Grove Collaborative Orange and Cardamom Soy Candle. And then this is our dining room. But on our table, I just kept it really simple. I just have this glass Pioneer Woman picture from Walmart. And then these floral stems are from Hobby Lobby. And then over here on my hutch, this is like always my favorite thing to decorate for each season. A lot of this, I actually kept the same as it was before, but I just added fall pieces. So I added this DIY garland. It's a Dollar Tree DIY. I have a video on that. And then I have these pumpkins that I bought from a little like craft store in Oregon when my husband and I were visiting there. So it just came like in a little pack, and I have a few different ones scattered throughout. And then these are just cinnamon sticks in here. I have this little Happy Harvest bird that my mom got for me. And then I have this DIY harvest sign. I have the video for that below. In here I have some of these corn things. I forget what they're called. And then another one of those scent packets from Kirkland's. And then another little pumpkin. All right, and now for my kitchen. Shout out to my husband for cleaning this for me. Thank you. Having a baby, it's hard to keep up on cleaning, but we're trying. So over here by my coffee pot, I have this little pumpkin spice latte chalkboard. I actually did that last year. And then I just have this basket, and we have our Trader Joe's pumpkin spice coffee, Trader Joe's pumpkin spice rooibos tea, and then our Celestial Seasoning Sweet Harvest pumpkin tea, and then a couple of fall mugs. I just like having our little, you know, fall drink area. And then over here we have our Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin set. So we have the multi-surface cleaner, the dish soap, and the hand soap. I love this scent. It's amazing. I am an affiliate with Grove Collaborative, which is where I get my Mrs. Meyer stuff from. So if you have not checked them out yet and you want your cleaning supplies shipped directly to your door each month, check out my link in the description. And then over here I have these little oven mitts that have little fall animals. That one says Happy Fall, y'all. And I got those from Walmart last year, and I have a matching dish towel over here on our dishwasher. I forgot to show that one. And then on the oven, I just have a little bit of a pumpkin pecan waffles candle from Bath & Body Works. I can't really burn it anymore, so I'm just gonna let it melt like whenever we turn the oven on, basically, so that way we can still get the scent. And then I have this dish towel that my mom got for me. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure where she got it from, but it's really pretty. And then we have this Give Thanks mat that we got last year from Walmart, I believe. And then I have this white pumpkin plate on our island that's from Sur La Table that my mom got for me last year. And I just have it out there for if we make any little fall treats, I can set them on there. All right, and then this is our bedroom. I just have a few decor pieces. It's mostly on our bed, but over here on the dresser, I just have this sort of bronze sparkly pumpkin. I think I got that from Kirkland's last year. And then I have this galvanized tin sort of vase that I got from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. And then I just have all these fall flowers, and then like the wheat stalks, which I've had these for a while, and I actually like made this little bouquet. I have it like all together last year, so that was easy to put together. And then over here, I just have this little Hello Fall sign that has an owl on it, and my mom gave that to me this year. I'm not sure where she got it from. Maybe Target Dollar Spot, but I don't know. And then over here on the bed, we have some pillows. I made these pillows last year, I believe. And then this one is one my father-in-law got me this year, and it's from Kirkland's. I love this pillow. I just like how all the pumpkins have different prints on them. And then I have, this is actually a scarf, a blanket scarf, but you can use it as a blanket too. But I got that from Forever 21 like a few years ago, and I just like using it on my bed to add some fall vibes and everything. And then I have the pumpkin patch candle from Bath & Body Works burning right now. This is our first year getting that particular scent, and we love it. It smells so good. I hope you guys enjoyed my fall home tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave in the comments what other fall videos you want to see for hashtag Fall Fridays. We're doing a fall video every single Friday, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to come back for that. I love you all, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye! It's permanent from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams.